Short sentences on double O words. Mommy will cook the lunch. Mommy will cook the lunch. The hens and cocks. The hens and cocks are in the coop. The hens and cocks are in the coop. We had a moonless night. We had a moonless night yesterday. We had a moonless night yesterday. Jack Cooper is a good boy. Jack Cooper is a good boy. Osborne took my pen to school. Osborne took my pen to school. Daddy will soon go. Daddy will soon go to the bank. Daddy will soon go to the bank. The children will march. The children will march into the classroom. The children will march into the classroom. Let me look at your book. Let me look at your book. This plant has big roots. This plant has big roots. Vero stood on the stool. Vero stood on the stool. My spoon is very hot. My spoon is very hot. Adolf has gone to the zoo in his boots. Adolf has gone to the zoo in his boots. The girls will swim in the pool. The girls will swim in the pool. Doris has a red balloon. Doris has a red balloon. There is soot. There is soot in the lantern. There is soot in the lantern. We must look. We must look for the ring. We must look for the ring. Her food is on the table. Her food is on the table. My toothbrush is in the bathroom. My toothbrush is in the bathroom. I shall choose the storybook for him. I shall choose the storybook for him. Derek has lost a tooth. Derek has lost a tooth. The thermos flask kept my food warm. The thermos flask kept my food warm. The doves were cooing. The doves were cooing in the coots. Tina cooked her food on the gas cooker. Tina cooked her food on the gas cooker. Has his anger cooled yet? Has his anger cooled yet? Mommy bought some food stuff from the Malata market. Mommy bought some food stuff from the Malata market. Alexander lost his footing and fell. Alexander lost his footing and fell. Donald has lost one of his boots. Donald has lost one of his boots. They will shoot. They will shoot the rocket to the moon. They will shoot the rocket to the moon. We shall tell the cook that the food was good. We shall tell the cook that the food was good. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe.